So your social media aspirin topic of the day is lead magnets. Lead magnets are a great way to provide value to your audience. You could use a lead magnet not only to spark a conversation with your audience, but it also gives you a way that provides a solution for your people. Having a lead magnet helps you stand out from others in your space. And it's a great ethical bribe, meaning it's something for free in exchange for their email. Here's a few examples of lead magnets. Forex fundamentals, 5 ways to make money from home, 5 stunning skincare secrets, essential oils, CBD, how to boost your credit score. So lead magnets are a great way to build your email list and audience fast. Let me know if there's a topic you'd like a lead magnet in. Remember, there are 3 keys to growing your online business: build, engage, sell. And remember, a lead magnet is a great way to leverage information and grow your audience and your list. 2 claps up and a Ric Flair.